News, Anele Hoyana's case secret exposed everything you need to know. The murder of 40-year-old Anele Hoyana has sent shockwaves across the nation, and the brutal actions of Eastern Cape farm owner Fritz Majeke Joubert have left many in a state of extreme anger. Here is what you need to know. Murder. Hoyana was murdered on Saturday by 45-year-old Joubert, whom he had temporarily been living with together with his wife and 2 children, on Joubert's farm in Dlathu, Brackfontein, near Connie. According to a Daily Dispatch report, Hoyana was training Joubert to be a Sangoma cleansing ceremony. The incident happened when a cleansing ceremony turned violent. Videos of Joubert went viral on social media after he filmed himself ranting about being the chosen one before killing Hoyana. In one of the videos, Hoyana is seen kneeling down in Joubert's house with one of his children in his arms, while Joubert repeats that he is going to punish him. Joubert, in a Springbok jersey, can be heard saying, "Everyone thinks I am Mal, but I want to show the world who Satan is." He sits there. "This is Satan." In another video, Joubert can be heard spewing racial slurs and seen grabbing Hoyana's 2 children. He also swears and shows the middle finger. Police investigation. Breaking news reported that police were called to the property, where one of the officers shot Joubert dead in self-defense before rescuing Hoyana's wife and children, who hid in the house. Joubert was shot while fighting for a gun with the officer. He died at the scene. East London police spokesperson Captain Hazel Mkala described the 2 men as friends and said they were socializing together in the early hours of Saturday when an argument started. She said the argument escalated into a physical fight, which moved outside the house to the deck. The farm owner assaulted the 40-year-old male friend with his fists and rifle butt, resulting in the victims sustaining severe head injuries. When the police arrived, they found him lying on his back with numerous head injuries, already passed on. Mala said police were investigating a case of murder and kidnapping, and the Independent Police Investigative Directorate was investigating the killing of Joubert in a separate docket. Pretending to be pro-black. An Eastern Cape DJ, Zwello DJ's Weston Maeve, said he had been at the farm a few days ahead of an event on Wednesday in which Joubert was due to be appointed and integrated as part of the community's traditional leadership. Maeve said Joubert, at times, acted like a good guy, like he was pro-black, but this whole thing triggered me. He said he would also behave like a typical Afrikaner and snap at him and make him feel inferior for not agreeing with him. Maeve was quoted as saying that when he was at the farm he tread carefully because it was isolated and he could sense danger. "I have never seen anyone smear blood on their face, demand to take selfies and smile while they were at it. It was the most horrifying experience."